Hello, this is David Allen with Acuity Lasers. This video is just a quick how to connect to an AP820 line laser. The AP820 line lasers prior to January of 2014 would be connected this way. First of all, you would open up your network and sharing center, go to your local area connection, open up properties, your internet protocol, hit properties, and you're going to want to put in this address or anything so long as it's not the address of the sensor, and the address of the sensor would end in 222. So I have 200 in here. Subnet mask is default. Hit OK, close, close, and then open up Acuity View. And in the Acuity View, you go under Options, and you want to make sure you have the address of the sensor 192.168.123.222 using the port 3000. If you have a demo laser and you are trying to get it set up and you're having difficulty, you can push the reset button and this is the address it will default to. Now we simply open the sensor up and we have a connection, and there's the laser line.